from my favorite place, Amazon. Wow! So you could turn. Okay. And then it just cranks it up for how much steam it pushes out. Oh. It don't look like it's turning off. Speaking to existence every day of Vlogtober.
Little white boy with some brand new tunes. Little white lies gonna catch me soon. With some old shoes and some bad tattoos. Making our name for the things we do. Little white boy with some brand new tunes. Little white lies gonna catch me soon. With some old shoes and some bad tattoos. Making our name for the things we do.
Living for the masquerade. And I might have misbehaved, but I'll take it to my grave. Never said that I was brave. Never noticed what I did.
Welcome back to my channel. D with a Y here. Hey, I don't need no help. Hi. Well, guys, it's been a minute of unboxing, and I have another one here for you guys. From my favorite place, Amazon Prime. So, as you can see, it's not a big box, but this is something I really need because my son, his humidifier broke and he has terrible allergies, like very bad, terrible allergies. So, his humidifier broke, so I used my Amazon points, my gift card I got from paying my phone bill on time, and it had a $2 off coupon. So total, this thing was original price $40, and I only paid $11 and some change for it, honey. Yeah. So let's get to unboxing this. It is Vlogtober, y'all. I promise y'all, I'm gonna try to put up a video every day. I've never done this before. I may be successful, but I may not. But I'm gonna speak this into existence. I'm not gonna speak no negativity. Your girl is gonna try to do a vlog every day of Vlogtober. So we're gonna see how this works out. Okay. A box within a box. So this is the humidifier is BAYKA ultrasonic humidifier, 4 liter, 1.06 gallons. And it tells you the performance and characteristics. And then it also shows you it's a one-touch switch. It says one-touch switch. In standby mode, touch the function which buttons once.
One, two.
Touch the function switch button once. The lantern will light up and the humidifier will start to spray. Tap once in the first spray to enter the second spray. Tap once in the second spray to enter the third spray. Tap once in the third spray to stop the humidifier. In any spray mode, press and hold the function switch button for 3 seconds to turn off the lantern and enter sleep mode. In sleep mode, tap once and the lantern lights up. Okay, so we're gonna see that. So let's open this box up. fall so far. Okay, so this is what's in this. You see right on the top, this comes with this. I don't know what this little thing is. But then here's the user manual. And it has like foam right here. Here it is, it has plastic. And that's the bottom of it. This is how it comes. And this is just the warning label that's on the plastic. This box unboxing is going to be very quick. So yeah, here we have it. Here's it go. This is the front, and this is like the on and off switch. Give you a full 360 view of it. Excuse me, why are you throwing that on the wall? And then this. Okay, so this is what this is for. I see that there. I took that off. Put that on. That opens like so to put the water in. And then this comes off. It doesn't have like a filter that you have. The other one, the other humidifier that I have for my son, it needed a filter. This one you don't. This is the bottom base. And this is the top. Very easy for cleaning, it looks like. So yeah, let's fill this up with water and see. I think I might show y'all this project me and my son done did. We always doing something. I may insert the clip. I don't know, cause the way YouTube looking like it's set up nowadays, I really don't want my baby in the video. So I'm filling it up. Oh yeah, I also forgot to mention at this top part, this part right here, where I took with came off at, and you see, you put how you call it? No, it don't go there. It's supposed to be somewhere where you could put where you could put my bad, where you could put essential oils, if I'm not mistaken. Well, y'all, I thought you could put essential oils in there. Maybe that was a different one I was looking at, but I don't know. But however it go, she got the water in there. Now I'm about to plug her up. And we gonna see what's going on.
Down. You down?
Mm-hmm.
And take it. Yeah. What are you doing? Whoa! Whoa! Let's go. Let's go. Oh, man. Ew. Nice.
Hold on, wait.
Buddy. Use it.
Wow! Cool, dude!
I take it.
It's cool.
Wow. Ah. What is it?
What is it?
Whoa!
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 You gotta come see what it is. Come on. This is not that.
I do this that.
It's an
What
emoji
is
box.
it? Wow! Cool. You see me? You see? Wow!
It's all clean.
Yeah. Wow!
Let me see your toy.
And this.
Let me see your toy.
What's this?
Oh. Okay. I'll do it. I'll do it. Leave it. I'll do it. Okay, it's halfway filled up with water. I just want to see, like, okay. Y'all see it, and then you could turn the nozzle. Okay. So I guess that's, you see, I switched it. Now it's on number 2. And then it just cranks it up at how much steam it pushes out. Oh my goodness. And once again, this is BAYKA. I don't know, that's the type of humidifier it is, but so far I'm liking it because it's hard to find one that blow out steam. Well, this mist like this. Ooh, child, ooh. So, I'm gonna let y'all know how this thing review and how it works and if it helps my son with his allergies, because this is the main reason why I got it. But once again, this is what it's looking like, and it's on the 3rd setting, the highest it can go. And then you hold it like this, and it turns it off. Well, it don't look like it's turning off. There you go. That was off. But yeah, I like this little thing. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Hope it was helpful for you. Hope like you'll be interested in getting this humidifier. And if you want to update a review on this, your girl will give it to you. But until then, have a good night. Have a good morning. Have a good afternoon. A good evening. Whatever time of the day it is that you're watching this video. Thank you guys. Come on in. Before I end this, can we speak into existence that your girl is gonna do a video every day of Vlogtober, okay? Every day of Vlogtober. Your girl's gonna come with another video. Okay, but anyway, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you guys enjoyed this little quick unboxing of this BAYKA humidifier. And this video, like all my other videos, is not sponsored. I bought it with my own coin that I use with my points, my gift card, and my coupon. But like, comment, and subscribe, guys. And you, until next time, deal with a Y here.